Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Mailchimp Preferences Center. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's access the Preferences Center. Start by heading to the official Mailchimp website and logging into your account. Once you're inside, navigate to the Forms section on your dashboard. Then select Other Forms. From the list of options, select Form Builder. This feature is where you will design and customize the look of your Preferences Center for your subscribers. Next, in the Form Builder interface, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose different types of forms. From this menu, select the Update Profile form. It's the page where subscribers can go to manage their communication preferences and choose the type of content they wish to receive from you. Now, let's move on to customizing your Preferences Center. Within the Form Builder, you'll have various tools to modify the look and feel, from colors and fonts to layout and spacing. Customizing these elements ensures that your Preferences Center matches the overall branding of your emails and website, giving subscribers a more cohesive experience. The next step is linking your Preferences Center. Luckily, Mailchimp automatically includes this link in the footer of your emails, under the text Update Your Preferences. This makes it easy for your subscribers to access the page anytime they want to modify their email settings, and that's it. So that is how you can use the Mailchimp Preferences Center. So that's all for this video. Thanks.